Hi guys, welcome to my study channel, Study Special with Cases. Today, let's practice some question. Find the remainder when this number is divided by 16. We know divisibility test of 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What is the formula? 2 to the power n. 16 is 2 to the power 4. So, if last 4 digit is divisible by 16, then whole number is divisible of 16. For find the remainder, we have to divide last 4 digit with 16. Last 4 digit is 2464. Divide with 16. 16 1 ja 16. 8 6. 16 5 ja 80. 6 4. 16 4 ja 64. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. What is the answer? Answer is 0. Then remainder of 7 8 9 6 7 8 6 2 6 divide 125. It is the also same rule, 5 to the power n. 125 means 5 to the power q. If last 3 digit is divisible of 125, then total number is divisible of 125. For find the remainder, we have to divide last 3 number. 6 to 6 divide 125. 125 ja 625. Understand? Then what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Its answer is 1. 517 dash 324. If it is divisible by 3, then fill in the blanks by least number. Least number means small number. Divisibility of 3. What is the formula of divisibility of 3? If the sum of digit is divisible of 3, then total number is divisible of 3. Then find the sum. 5 plus 1 plus 7 plus dash plus 3 plus 2 plus 4. What is the sum? Sum is 22 plus dash is divisible of 3. More than 22, which number is divisible of 3? 24 is divisible of 3. Then 22 plus dash is 24. Dash equal to 2. Then least number is 2. Okay. 5 dash 3 4 is divisible of 6. Divisible of 6 means what? Co-prime pair what? 2 and 3. If this number is divisible of 2 and 3, then total number is divisible of 6. For divisibility of 2, unit digit is 4. So this number is divisible of 2. For divisible of 3, this number should be what? The sum is divisible of 3. Then 5 dash 3 4. 5 4 9 3 12. For plus dash is divisible of 3. 12 plus 0. 12 is also divisible of 3. 12 plus 3, 15, also divisible of 3. 12 plus 6, 18, also divisible of 3. 12 plus 9, 21, also divisible of 3. Then in place of 10, it may be 0, it may be 3, it may be 6, it may be 9. Then what will your answer? 3034, 5034, 5334, 5634, 5934. What is our question? Find the least and largest number. Among these, what is the least number? This is least number. What is the largest number? It is the largest number. Understand? Then go for 5 number. 653 xy is divisible of 80. For divisibility of 80, that means y sure have to a 0. Then we know y equal to 0. Then 653 x0 is divisible of by 80. For 80, 0 is present in unit place, so it is also divisible by 80. For divisibility of 8, we have to determine this last 3 digit is divisible of 8. Then 3x0 divisible by 8, then remainder is 0. At the place of what? Then it will be divisible by 8. If in the place of x I placed 2, then 320 is divisible of 8. Then what is the answer? 40. Remainder is 0. Then what is the x? X equal to 2, y equal to 0. What is the x plus y? X plus y equal to 2. Understand? Then which is divisible by 45? What is the co-prime pair of 45? 9 into 5. So among these, which is divisible of 5 and which is and 9, both have to divisible of 5 and 9. Among these, it is not divisible of 5, so it cancel. This is also not divisible of 5. Only these two is divisible of 5. Then we have to examine among these two which is the divisible of 9. Then find its sum, and its sum. Then its sum is 21. Its sum is 17. No one is divisible of 9, and this no one is divisible of 5. So answer is none of this. If the product of, listen carefully, if the product of 64824 into 9A2 is divisible of 12, For 12, it should be divisible of 4 and divisible of 3. This number is, this last 2 is divisible of 4. That means the rest number is also be divisible of 3. Then what is the value of A? 2 divisible 9A2, the sum also be divisible of 3. Okay. Then what is the sum? Sum is 9 plus 2 plus A, 11 plus A. At the place of A, what will be? The sum is divisible of 3. If at the place of A I put 1, then 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 is a divisible of 3. So answer is 1. Okay. 476-0 is divisible of 3 and 11. Listen, in this question, you have to put this number in this option in this place. Then what will be my number? 476740, 476750, 476880. Okay. Then these three number we have to examine which is both divisible of 3 and 11. Then what? Take this 6 4 10, 4 5 15, 7 8 15. It is divisible of 11. Find the divisible test of 3, 13, 17, 22, 8, 30. It is also divisible of 3. So answer is this. Okay. We already studied the divisibility of 7 and 11, but we don't study the remainder when a number is divided by 7, 11 or 17 or 13. I got a simple trick. If the number is what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is the number. Okay. My first rule. We have to make triplet. From which side? From this side. This is one triplet, this is one triplet, and this is one triplet. Then put alternate sign. What? Then put alternate sign. This is three pair of 3 number digit. Then alternate sign. First took positive, then took negative, then took positive. Then add them all. After adding, then divide 7 by 7 or 11 or 13. Then you can got your remainder. Let's say question 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 divide by 7. Make triplet. This is the pair. This is another. This is another. Then put the alternate side. Plus 1 2 3 minus 4 5 6 plus 7 8 9. What will answer? 4 5 6 your answer. Then divide 4 5 6 by 7. What will answer? 4 5 6 divide 7. 7 6 42 36 7 by 35. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Got it? Okay. Then go for another question. 62218 divide 11. Okay. What is our first function? First rule. Make triplet. From this side, make triplet. Put alternate sign plus 62 minus 218 plus 883. After adding this, I got what? 727. Then what have I to do? 727 divide 11. 11 6 66 6 7 11 6 66. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Okay. Then go for another question. Listen carefully. 73125. First duty is make triplet. Then go for alternate sign, plus minus 73 plus minus 125. What is the answer? Minus 4050 7 13 4 52. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Then got it? Then go for 23 and 37. What is the first rule? First rule is make triplet. Second is no alternate sign. Add them all. Third is add them all. And last is we have to divide the addition by 27 or 37. Okay. If A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I is a number, it given that 27 or 37. Make triplet from this side. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I. Add them and the addition is divided by 27 or 37. Make a question. Take a question. 23811 712 by 27. Make triplet. This is a triplet. This is a triplet. This is a triplet. Add them all. 43 811 712. What is the answer? 1566. Then divide by 27. 27 5 135 216 27 8 6 1 2. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Got that? If another question, 92951 9589 divide 37. Okay. Make triplet. This and this. 929 plus 519 plus 589. What is 2037? Then divide with 37. 37 5 185 187 37 5 185. What is the remainder? Remainder is 2. For 33, what is the first rule? Make pair of 2 digit. It is the pair of 3 digit. Here also pair of 3 digit, but here the pair of 2 digit. Then no alternate sign. 3, add them all and divide by 33. Okay. If digit is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H by 33. Make from this side, make pair of 2 digit A, B plus C, D plus E, F plus G, H. Then addition is divided by 33. Take example. It is given question by 33. Make pair. This is a pair, this is a pair, this is a pair. Add them all. Okay. Add them all. What will be? 99. Then divide 33. 33 3 is 99. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Understand? This question for you. These are the question for you. Find the what? Remainder. Okay. Then go for another question. Listen. 125 125 125, that is 99 digit by 27. What is the remainder? remainder. Okay. For divisibility test of 23, what is the formula? First make triplet, then add them all, then divide by 27. Okay. But listen, 125, that means there is 3 digit. Okay. 1 2 3 4, this is 5 1 2 3 4, this is 5 digit. Then it said that this question have 99 digit. That means 125 125 125, that is total digit is 99. In 99 digit, how many pair of 125? Divide by 3. 33. 33 pair of 125. Then there should be 123 125 125 of what? How many pair? 33 pair. How many pair? 33 pair. Understand? Okay. Then what I have to do for divisible of 27? 125 plus 125 plus 125 of 33 times. Then divide by 27. Okay. Okay. Then 33 times mean what is the summation? It will be 214125 by 27. Division, divide 4125 divide 27. 27 1 27 142 27 5 135. What will be 75 27 2 54. What is the remainder? Remainder is 21. Understand what I do? Then 145 145 145, that is 101 digit by 11. For 11, what is the formula? Make triplet from this side and put alternate sign, add them and then divide 11. Then 145 145, that is 101 digit. 101 digit means how many pair? 3 3 9 1 1 3 9. 33 pair with last 2 digit. Then 145 145, it is how many pair? 33 pair. Next 2 digit, then again also repeat 1 4. Okay. Again also what? 145 145 and last 2 digit is 1 4. Okay. Understand? Because last 2 is here. Okay. Then we have to triplet from this side. Then 145 145 145, such type 145 145 145 14. Then we have to make triplet. If we make triplet from this side, 514 is triplet, another 514 is triplet, another 514 triplet, 5 triplet. Okay, sorry. Then 514 is another triplet, 541 is another, 541 541 and last is 14. Then put alternate side. First is positive 14, then second is negative 514, then 514 plus minus 514. In this way, how many pair? In this way, 33 pair. Okay, listen. First pair of 514 and second pair of 514 vanished due to minus plus sign. In this way, all 32 pair is vanished due to minus plus. Only 33th pair of 514 is present. What is its sign? Its sign is negative. Then what is plus 14 minus 514? Understand? All are vanished due to one negative, another is positive. One negative, another is positive. All 32 pair of 514 is vanished. Only 33th pair of 1514 is remained, and another first number is plus 14. Then add them 500 minus 500. Then divide with 11. 11 4 44 60, 11 5 55. What is the remainder? Remainder is minus 5. If there is possible of minus 5, due to negative sign, we have to add with 11. 11 plus minus 5. That will be 11 minus 5. That is 6. Answer is your 6. Okay, got it? Then go for another question. Listen, 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 dot 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 6 3 4 digit by 32. 32 means 2 to the power 5. So we have to determine the last 5 digit. If last 5 digit is divisible of 32, then total number is divisible of 32. To get the remainder also, we have to divide 32 with last 5 digit. Then what is the last 5 digit? This is the series. If it is the series, then what is the real series? 1 2 3 dot 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 8 9. After 9, then 10 11 12 98 99. After 8, 101 100 101 102. At the last, the total of digit is how many digit? 634 digit. Okay, 1 to 9 is unit digit. That means one digit. One digit, total number of one digit what? 9. Total digit of 2 digit, that is from 10 to 99. From 10 to 99 is how many digit? From 10 to 99 is how many digit? 99 minus 10 plus 1, that is 89 plus 1 is 90 pair. If there is 90 pair, then how many of 2 digit? 90 into 2, that is 180. Other remains are 3 digit, such as 100 101 101 102 103. Then how many pair of 3 digit? If I subtract this from to the total number, then I can determine how many 3 digit is there. Okay, then 634 minus 180 plus 9. Then 634 minus 189. Okay, then what? 445. If I divide 3, then I can calculate it how many triplet of 3 digit? 3 1 3 1 4 3 4 12 2 5 3 8 2 4 1. There is 184 triplet number with last and remainder is 1. Then what will be? 1 2 3 8 9 10 11, that is 98 99 100 101 102 103. We have to define the last digit, last pair. Listen, this is the first pair, this is the second. It is the first pair of 3 digit, second pair of 3 digit, third pair of 3 digit, fourth pair of 3 digit. We have to determine 148th pair of 3 digit. Then first digit is what? 99 plus 1, 100 is first digit. 99 plus 2, 101 is second digit. 99 plus 3, 102 is third digit. Then what is the 148 digit? 99 plus 148. Okay, 247. 247 is the 148 digit. Then what is my the last 5 digit? Listen, 100 101 102. In this way, 246 247. Here the last remainder is 1. So another 1 digit is there. What is the first digit? After 247, this is the 248. But there is remainder is 1 digit. So last digit is 2. Then for divisible test of 32, we have to determine last 5 digit. What is the last 5 digit? 62472 divide 32. 32 1 32 304 9 288 167 32 5 160 72 32 2 64 8. What is the remainder? Remainder is 8. No, don't to be worry. For 32, we have to find last 5 digit. For last 5 digit, you have to remember this concept. Now guys, now the time to a game. You see 10 question is there. I answered this 10 question in 10 seconds. Start your stopwatch and calculate my time. The answer is 3. This answer is 3. This answer is 4. This answer is also 4. This answer is between 3 and 4. And here is 4 and 5. Here is 3 and 4. Here answer is 2. Here answer is 3. Answer is 2 to the power 7 by 8. Here is 2 to the power 31 by 32. How can I got this answer? There is a simple trick. To get this trick, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I meet you in my next video. Thank you so much.